Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be unboxing BOXYCHARM for the month of May. I'm excited. I've seen people review this and it looks absolutely amazing. And what I'm going to be doing now on with BOXYCHARM, which is a little bit different than what I did before because I'm not doing as many subscriptions as I used to be, I am going to unbox this one day with you guys, and then a couple more episodes down the road I am going to do, or in the next episode, whatever comes, you know, whatever I have filmed and ready to go, I will be doing a try on this and my first impressions, and I'll let you guys know what I think of everything in here, because like I told you guys before, I'm really trying to do a low buy. I want to be very picky on what I keep in my beauty space. So let's get into this. So, and this is what it looks like when you open it up. BOXYCHARM is $21 a month, and I do have an affiliated code below in the description box if you are interested. And this month's theme is called Making Waves. So I love that. It's kind of like a little summer vibe to it. And on the back, it lets you know what everything in your box is and how much it costs. And I have variation number 2, if you can see it right there. And there we go. Oh, I'm so happy I got this. I was so excited for me. I got the Glam Glow. I love the box. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. So, and let's just read about this. Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. Gentle, but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. We all need that. Oh, amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up deep clean and removes impurities in your skin. Soap fragrance and SLES free. All skin types approved, and this MSRP is for $28. So this already, you know, covered the whole price of your box. You can't get better than that. But let's open it. I want to see what it smells like. Oh, cool. And the bottle, this is a big bottle. This is 5 ounces, so that's a good value. Let's see what it smells like. There's no safety seal on it though. No, I'm not gonna open it. Yep, it's fragrance free. I don't smell anything, but anything from Glam Glow, I am all over it. It is amazing. You guys will love it. So let's see what's next. I am so excited. So next I see, this is Dose of Colors, and I got the color Berry Me. And let's open that up and give it a little swatcheroo. Oh, that is gorgeous. I love the packaging on this. And look, like with the frosted, it looks high-end, it looks fancy, it is gorgeous. So, oh, and I love the dofa on it. It's got that little like bent part so you can really get it in there. So let's just do a little swatcheroo. It's a little more pink than I usually wear, but summer's coming, so it's time to be bold. And look at that, that is gorgeous. So let's read up on this. So the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. So what it means by matte is that it will dry down. Your new Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick has a velvety, the word, high fashion matte finish which envelopes lips in rich, long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes, it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. Now, I really hope it does, because that's one thing I absolutely don't like about liquid lips sometimes, because they still feel very tacky on the lips. So, fingers crossed. Like I said, I will let you guys know in my review what I think about this. See, and that retailed for $18. So, still, we're off to a great value. So next I see the Ciate London Eye Lush Cream Eyeshadow. Your new Ciate London Eye Luster will help you create long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blending out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. So let's look at that. And this is what the packaging looks like. And I got the color Cupid. You can see that. Ooh, look at that. That is gorgeous. It's got like some gold flecks in it, but it's very pretty. So let's do a swatcheroo on this one too. And this is what the applicator looks like. Oh my gosh, guys, this is stunning, like absolutely stunning. Look at that. Could you just see that like right here on your inner corner, you know, in the middle as like a little spotlight of color on your eyes? Oh my gosh, I'm very excited to try this out and letting you guys know what I think of it. So let's see what I got next. So next I see, of course I have to open it. Let's see if I can open it. That is always the problem. Nope, it's gonna be easy. Yay! I love safety seals, don't get me wrong, but sometimes they are just a pain in the bum to open it. And I see what I got is a little different than what I was seeing from other people unboxing this, but I'll take it. So what I see here is a mellow brow definer in the color chocolate, and it up like this, and let's just do a little swatcheroo of this. It takes a little bit to get it in there, but that is what it looks like. It's got like a little like pointy square tip. On the other side it has a little soolie so you can, you know, play with it. I like it that it's all in one stick. And it says this non-greasy, easy glide formula in your new Mellow Cosmetics Brow Definer Brow Pencil is about to revolutionize your brow game. We'll see. I'm gonna hold you up to that. The triangular tip makes for easy hair-like strokes and long-lasting formula. Ensures your brows won't budge. And it manufactures for $18. So this, we're off to a good start here. I'm loving this box. It's a little all over the place, not like what we usually get from BOXYCHARM, but it's different. I love it. So, and I'm excited for this next thing because last summer I got, I think, one of my favorite palettes of all time, and it was that Alamar palette we got, and now we got an Alamar blush palette, and I am so excited about this. So this is the Colorette Blush Trio in Castaway, Parizo, and Sorcher. And look at those colors. Oh my gosh, those are gorgeous. So let's just do, oh, and they're like, it's very silky. And those are the three colors right here. Let's see if I can find a spot to blend it. I think these are gonna be gorgeous for the summer. I don't know if you guys can see them, but they're right here. And that's your box. Even if this color, like you say, wasn't right for your cheeks and you don't like it, use it as an eyeshadow. I'm telling you, these would make some beautiful transition colors that I'm gonna dip into. I'm gonna try, and I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about it. So, but let's read up about it. So it says, get your blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks. This buttery smooth, high pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed blush without the damage of the rays. So, like I said, I think this palette is going to be gorgeous. Gorgeous for you for the summertime, especially those oranges, because when the sun hits it, you're just going to gleam and be beautiful. And oh, I'm very excited about this. And like I said, I will let you guys know what I think of it. So that is everything in our box. So let's just do a little recap. We got the blush, we got the Ciate London, the shimmer eyeshadow, we got the Dose of Colors, we got the eye pencil, and the most exciting thing, we got the Glam Glow. So I can't be disappointed with this box. So let's just see exactly how much this whole box comes to. So let me grab my phone and let's just calculate exactly how much everything cost. So let's see. We have $28 plus $22 plus $22 plus $18 plus $18. My box equals $108. Don't mind the screen, I dropped it the other day. I'm a klutz, what could I say? But that is an amazing value for a box that you know, spend $21 on. You cannot beat that. I mean, BOXYCHARM is the best box out there. When I just started my makeup collection, this is the box that set me up to my makeup hoard. But it gives you such a variety of things that you don't even know about, and it teaches you, you know, makeup. It lets you try new products. You cannot be disappointed with BOXYCHARM. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. I want to know what box you got. What variation did you get? Do you guys like the products that you guys got in this box? Do you think it was a great box? And guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so you will be notified every single time that I upload a new video. I hope you guys have a wonderful and a magical day, and I will see you guys when I review these products in more videos to come. Love you guys. Bye.